So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing PlayStation Network sign in failed or sign out error problem in your PlayStation Network, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I'm showing the steps to fix these sign in failed error problem. So guys follow the steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now the fix one is automatic login. Number step one is go to settings and then choose the user option. Now the step 2, move to logic settings and tick the log in PS4 or PS5 automatically option. Step 3, restart your console and try to sign in. Now the fix 2 is update your PS4 system software. You can update PS4 or PS5 system software manually or using an external storage device. Here I show the first way. Step 1, go to settings on your console. Step 2, select system software update and then update now. Okay, so this is the fix 2. Now going on the fix 3, disable media server connections. Go to settings and then select the network from the menu. You will the media server connection option. Click the option to disable it. Now these three fixes will helps you in solving the error problem in your PlayStation network sign in. So guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying, and if your problem will not fix with these three fixes, so guys you have to wait for some time till the PlayStation servers are coming back. So guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.